National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greene County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Greene County Airport, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Xenia, Cedarville. In addition, Wilberforce, Middleton Corner, New Jasper, Paintersville, Jamestown, Bell Center, and Bowersville are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.